Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the continuation part of cell structure and functions. Biology class 9 lesson 1. Please make sure that you have class 9 biology textbook and please see end till the end of the video, then only you will understand. Okay, at least see half of the video. This is very important lesson. Okay, now let's go into the lesson. Yesterday we discussed about some of the cell organelles and introduction of cell, its structure and functions. Okay, yesterday we discussed about the typical plant cell and typical animal cell. Now let us see the remaining cell organelles. So cell organelle means cell parts. Okay. So yesterday we discussed cell membrane and plasma membrane. Now let's go into cell wall. So cell wall is present in plant cells, right? Cell wall is present in plant cells. This is a unique feature seen in plant cells. Okay, in every plant cells we can see cell wall in any part of the plant, in leaves, in roots, in stem, in any parts of the plant we can see the cell wall in plant cells. Okay. While the cell membrane acts as an outer layer in an animal cell, in a plant cell there is an extra layer mainly of cellulose. In animal cell, cell membrane acts as an outer layer of the part. In animal cell, the outer layer part is called cell membrane. Likewise here, in plant cell there is an extra layer. In plant cell also there is outer layer of the part, outer part, that is called in cell wall. In animal cell membrane, in plant cell wall. So it is made up of cellulose. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Okay, this is very important bit question. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Okay. Now the cell wall is flexible. So it flex. Cell wall is flexible. Okay. Okay, this is about cell wall. Cell wall is mainly made of cellulose. It is present in plant cells and it is flexible. Okay, so it helps in the growth of the plant cells. It helps in the growth of the plant. Cell wall in a plant cells helps in the growth of the plant and it is very strong. Okay. Now let's go into the next cell organelle. Okay. Now let us see the next cell organelle. It is very important cell organelle that we are seeing now is nucleus. Nucleus. Okay, we all know nucleus, very important part of a cell. It is present in the middle part of the cell. Okay. Now nucleus is also called as the control room of the cell. Okay, it is also called as control room of the cell. Okay, it is also called as control room of the cell. It controls all the remaining cell organelles. It controls all the remaining cell organelles and it creates some new cells. Cell wall is helpful by creating the new cells. Okay. Now nucleus is the largest cells. Yeah, nucleus is the largest cell among comparing to other cell organelles. Okay. Now here mentioned a scientist name called Sleden. Okay, here is mentioned a scientist name who was one of the proponents of cell theories. So he was one of the proponents of the cell theory, right? Through that new cells are created from the nucleus. Yeah, I said before only that he concluded that nucleus is helpful for creating new cells and he named that cytoblast. He named that cytoblast. Okay, please note down all the points in the notebook. Now let us see the Next cell organelle, which is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, we all know it is also present in all cells. Cytoplasm is present in animal cells. Okay, it is mainly present in the animal cells. When we look at the temporary mounds of onion peel, we can see a large region of each cell exploded by the cell membrane. This region takes up very little strain. It is called as cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a fluid content. It is a fluid substance. It is a plasma substance. Okay, sorry, fluid. It is a fluid substance. Okay, cytoplasm is one of the part of a cell. Like that, there is no main functions of in this cytoplasm. Now let us see the next organelle. Now, so we discussed some of the main organelles, right? Let us discuss some remaining main organelles. We discussed some organelles only now. Now let us discuss some main organelles in a cell. Okay, let us see what are these main organelles. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is a main organelle, and plastids, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, and lysosomes and vacuoles. So these 7 organelles are some of the main organelles present in the cell. Let us discuss one of each organelle. Please note down all these organelles in the notebook. Okay. Now let us discuss first organelle called mitochondria. Mitochondria is one of the main organelle present in the cell. Okay. So let us see the structure of mitochondria. First of all, let us see the structure. Yeah, let us see the structure. Yeah, in this inner part we have some noodles like structures, other threads like structures. Here we can see some threads like structures. Here we can see the mitochondria, the structure of mitochondria. Okay. Okay, let us see the parts of the mitochondria. Okay, now this is outer membrane. This is inner membrane. This is cristae. In the gaps is there no here. These are called cristae. And this threads like structures are called matrix. Okay, these are the parts and the structure of mitochondria. Now let us see about detailed information about mitochondria. So it is in a small spherical and cylindrical organelle. Mitochondria is a small spherical and cylindrical. So it is a small spherical and cylindrical organelle. Generally, mitochondria, what is the width and distance of mitochondria? Let us see. It is 2.8 micron long. So it is 2.8 micron long. Means micron means how small it is. If we can see in electron microscope only, we can observe. Here, while observing in a microscope in onion peel, the mitochondria looks like this structure. Okay. Okay. Now, it is 2.8 micron long and 0.5 micron wide, means width. So it is about 150 times smaller than the nucleus. So I can say the nucleus is the biggest cell organelle in the cell, biggest cell organelle. It is 150 times smaller. These are the important bits. Okay. So in each cell 100 to 150 mitochondria cells are present. Okay. 100 to 150 mitochondria cells are present. Okay. Now, mitochondria also called as powerhouse of a cell. Mitochondria also called as powerhouse. Mitochondria also called as powerhouse of a cell. So, okay, this is very important bit question. Mitochondria is also called dash powerhouse of the cell. Okay. So mitochondria, why it is called as powerhouse cell? Because it is responsible in cellulose respiration. Okay, it is responsible in cellulose respiration. Okay, it is responsible in cellulose respiration. This is because it is called as powerhouse of the cell. So it supplies the energy. It supplies the energy to all the cell organelles. This is called powerhouse of the cell. This is because it is called as powerhouse of the cell. Okay, friend, this is about mitochondria. Now, in the next class, we will discuss about the remaining 6 organelles. Okay. Okay, friends, this is our today's class. So, if you like this video, press like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay. So, for more interesting videos, keep updating our channel. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching and meet in the next class.